Meditative journaling. I hope you have your journal ready. And before we start, I give you 3 questions. And those 3 questions will help you to unload something that's on your heart. And it would be much easier for you to make space for new information, for new opportunities, possibilities that within you, that energy within you. Question number 1. What dream has been quietly calling me lately, asking to be seen and felt? Listen to your heart. Allow the answer just appear to you naturally. Question number 2. How do I imagine myself living this dream? Who am I being, feeling, and embodying? Give yourself time. Question number 3. What part of me is ready to expand, grow, and gently leave the old comfort zone behind? You can pause this video, answer your questions, and whenever you're ready, we begin. Get yourself comfortable. Find this comfortable position for your body. Adjust your body. And start to watch your breathing. Comfortably breathe in and breathe out. And notice that your breathing expand a little bit and become longer. Be gentle to yourself. Just dive within. Follow your breathing. Imagine yourself standing in a beautiful space somewhere in the nature. As you slowly look around, look to your right and look to your left, and as you look right in front of your eyes, beautiful landscape unfolding, beautiful nature unfolding in front of your eyes. And you find it so beautiful, it's like breathtaking, created just for you. This place feels comfortable, welcoming, inviting. There is something uniquely sacred about this very space. Whole space carrying an uplifting energy and living vibration. Feel it rising through the sole of your feet, gently come up through whole your body to the top of your head and out. You feel this energy connecting you to the earth and to the sky. And it feels comfortable. It feels welcoming. This energy realigns you with who you truly are. It goes through the core of your body. You feel safe. You feel secure. You feel supported and guided. Notice the colors around you. Notice the quality of the air. With every breath, your body softens, your thoughts slow down, your heart feels so much expanding. You feel familiar with this very space. You feel like home. You become more focused, more centered, more confident. And now, in distance, you notice a gentle glow of light. And as you look closer, you realize it's a fire. It's a sacred fire circle. With each step forward towards the fire, you start to feel a shift in your body. A shift in the air. A shift in your energy. You can whisper to yourself, my heart knows truth. My body agrees. I rise with effortless and ease. Each step feels good. Each step feels right. Each step gently tune every cell of your body to this higher vibration. You can whisper to yourself, I'm aligned, I'm clear. I trust my way. I trust my flow. I grow where I'm meant to grow. Breathe with your belly and slowly come closer. And yes, it is a fire circle and waiting for you. And yes, deep inside you know, within this circle lives a quantum field, one that supports you in expanding your comfort zone and shifting into reality you desire. You can whisper to yourself, I shift, I expand, I confidently stand. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Allow this vibration settle in every cell in your body. Now gently recall the dream you came here with. Hold it in your heart. See it with your inner vision and feel it in your body. Trust the vision unfolding before you. Whisper again. I shift, I expand, I confidently stand and see your vision. You can whisper to yourself again, I trust my way. I trust my flow. I grow where I am meant to grow. I am aligned. I am clear. My dream is already here. And when you're ready, you take one step forward and enter the sacred circle of fire. It's a magic fire. It's fire of transformation. It's a comfortable circle, not too big, not too small. It's comfortable, protective, and welcoming. You feel warmth, love, and pleasant comfort in this very circle. And now feel from bottom of your feet this energy start to rise again with more intensity. Feels like if your body start to uploading new codes from the earth up to your spine, up to your head, and opens up your channel. And from the top, you start receiving codes, downloads of wisdom, rebooting and harmonizing every cell in your body. With the reality you have already envisioned. Make a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. You can whisper to yourself, I am safe to receive what's calling to me. Each breath I take seals the life I create. And truly feel What is it? How does it feel? Getting new information that opens up something very important for you. This message is only for you. Only your subconscious knows how to unfold it, how to use this information for your transformation. Just trust, breathe, connect with your body. And you notice the fire around you gently rising, rising taller to help you cleanse, transform, you can whisper to yourself, I'm softened, I'm open, and my future is spoken. Breathe deeply. Say to yourself, I remember who I came here to be. What I desire already desires me. You expanding, you transforming. Your nervous system, your mind, and your energy grow into new comfort zone. Very comfortable. This is parallel reality that you are ready to shift into. Breathe and allow yourself to shift into best version of yourself. Listen to your intuition now. Notice the images, ideas, insights, and gentle clues that are arising within you. You are channeling information meant only for you. Trust yourself. Open your heart. You're receiving only what you can process, only what you can integrate with ease, clarity, and love. Trust the process. Breathe deeply. I stand in alignment. I'm embodied and free. I trust the fire transforming me. Trust what you feel. Open your heart wider. This wisdom comes from your higher self. Only you know what is right for you. Your frequency rises, your vibration aligns, matching your true self. The universe responds only to your vibration and your frequency. You focus on the image of your best version self, best ever. Breathe in and breathe out comfortably. Integrate this vibration and remember feelings. With every breath you expand, with every inhale you harmonize. With every exhale, you settle into this new state with comfort and trust. You feel the warmth of the fire. You feel support from the fire. And you understand this dream carries your true calling from that reality you want to be. This dream was sent to you for a reason. It's no longer a dream. This is your new reality. Remember this vibration within you. settle into your new vibration. See yourself now fully aligned, inside and out. Notice how you stand. Notice how you walk. How you speak. And how you feel. Confident, connected, centered, aligned. And in love with this new and familiar version of yourself. This is what you remember from your future self. This is what echoing from your parallel reality, and it's calling you and give you all these clues and ideas. You're here for a reason, to see it more clearly. Calling you, step forward and own it. You hear it because you are ready. It's yours. This is yours. Own it. You hear, you open to receive what is truly yours. Now notice vibration within your body. And whisper to yourself, I am the vision I once could only see. This dream is alive and it lives in me. Notice the fire slowly becoming smaller more gentle, until it softly fades away. And your vibration different right now. You raise your frequency here. And the beautiful nature around you returns to focus. Take a deeper inhale and slowly exhale. Remember this vibration in your body. It's your new comfort zone. It's a key to shift and continue shifting. Universe only give you what you vibrate. Remember this vibration. You own it. You did so beautifully. Give yourself time to integrate this feeling into every cell of your body. If you wish, and you can allow yourself to drift into sleep, letting your body anchor this new state. Or you can gently move your fingers and your toes. Take one last deep inhale and slowly exhale. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. And I will attach 3 more questions that you can journal when you're ready. I will see you in the next video.